Hello and welcome to episode 17 of Junk Journal with me. I am not using any prompts today. I felt like just playing around, no no prompts, no stress, no limits, just enjoying my time in my journal. So I wanted to make another spread with one of these fantastic huge stickers, which you can find in my December AliExpress haul. I love these so much, so I wanted to give it another shot with one of these, and so I chose this one with the roses. And I am starting by making a mess out of my watercolors and just putting down some reds and pinks on that page. And now I'm just going to quickly dry that with my heat gun. You can of course also air dry it, but who has the patience for that? Tell me. You could use a hair dryer as well. So see all that yumminess? Oh my god, I love this. When it's dry, it just looks so nice. Just bite into it. Now I'm trying to figure out which parts of the sticker I'm going to use for which parts of the spread. So I start out by tearing off one of the rose images and then seeing how much I still need to tear away to fit the page and to also still show some of the watercolors. So that worked out okay, so I'm just peeling that off and sticking that right on. So first part of the page done. Easy enough. Next I take this washi tape, which is also in that same AliExpress haul, and I believe this is my favorite washi of all time because it's so versatile. You can basically use it in every spread, on every background. It is just awesome. I'm glad it's a huge roll and a thick roll because I'm gonna be using it a lot, and you will see it a lot in my spreads. So then I wanted to add some more papers, and this is one with a smaller grid, so I thought that worked nicely. Plus it has a little bit of another color to add more interest. And this is a piece of my 1926 Gardener's Journal, which I love. And then I'm just taking another piece of a random book page. Just adding that as well, and that will serve as my background for the next piece of the sticker. So now I'm checking which other pieces of the sticker do I want to use, and I did want to use that other rose. So I'm tearing around that, and again seeing how much can I use. I really wanted to use those paint swaps as well. I didn't really like the placement of those right there, so I decided to separate the two and to just use the flower itself on that side. But I did still really want to use those paint swaps, so I just position it on different places, see where I think it would work best, and decided to go with that spot up there, but just to make it a bit smaller. So when you're working in your spreads, if you're unsure as to where position things, basically I think it's good to cluster images and little pieces of interest into different parts of your spread. And what I mean is, don't put them all over the page everywhere, because you need some focal points and you need your eyes to wander to these focal points, but you also need a place where your eye can rest. So, for example, when you look at this spread, when you look on the left page, there's a lot going on. But even though there's this script in the background, that place up there in the middle is a place to rest because there's no color, and it's the calmer or the calmest place of that page. On the right hand side, obviously there's a lot of like blank space at the moment, so that is very calming and pleasing for the eye. And so it's a good balance. And now when I'm adding some washes, I'm again adding to the various clusters that I have on the left and the right side, but I'm not adding it to any place where there's nothing else, because that would just look all cluttered, right? So that is what I try to do when I do my layouts. I try to cluster things together. And now I'm adding some Tim Holtz words, and I'm going to add the words trust your journey. And I wasn't sure yet what I was going to journal about, and I'm going to journal off camera, but in the final picture you will see the journaling. And as I so often do, I just went on the internet and typed in the words trust your journey, and I came upon this website, which is actually www.trustyourjourney.com, and it's actually a very nice website. And I took some of the sentences straight off their website, and I can read you which ones I took and what it reads. For every woman that has struggled, questioned, realized, believed, accomplished, and triumphed, trust your journey. Be grateful for what you have, but mindful of what you can become. Wherever life takes you, trust your journey. So I really like that. And maybe you want to go check out their website. They also have some nice merchandise on their website. Yeah, so that concludes today's spread. I hope this was some inspiration for your own spreads. Yeah, hope you have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.